So hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Dr Pratiksha and I'm the Chief Scientific Officer at Biotex Life Solutions Private Limited. We are based out of India in Hyderabad and we are primarily a dietary supplement manufacturing company. So what I present to you today over here is one of our very hallmark molecules called as Nanocurcumin. What are its therapeutic effects? How is it one of the master molecule for overall wellness and well-being? And how Biotex Nanocurcumin is a differentiator from the market nanocurcumin that are available globally. So my major contents that I'm going to be covering today is what is the difference between curcumin, turmeric and nanocurcumin? What is curcumin's clinical advantages that it offers as a therapeutic molecule? What is the problem that is existing with the curcumin which is available in the market today? What is the solution to this problem? How are we the differentiators? What is the mechanism of action of our molecule? What is our USP in terms of the market availability with other competitors? The scientific validation data that we have done with respect to our molecule, the market size and the opportunity that this molecule offers globally, and the strength that it has as a nutraceutical product. So if you look at the major differences of what is turmeric, what is curcumin and what is nanocurcumin. So turmeric basically is the whole root of the plant, which is the rhizome. Curcumin is the most active or potent biological component of this plant. And nanocurcumin is the same molecule which is being converted into nanoparticles. So this is the differentiator. Many times in the market, people always confuse the word turmeric with curcumin. Curcumin is a component of turmeric and turmeric is not curcumin alone. Turmeric has a lot of other components which are present in it. So when we talk about the curcumin percentage, usually the rhizome has only 2 to 5% of active curcumin present in it. The rest of the components are other phytochemical molecules which have a lot of other therapeutic activities. Curcumin extracted from this is almost 95% pure molecule, which may have 5%, I would say, variants or 5% different adducts of the existing curcumin. And nanocurcumin again is 95% curcumin, but small particle size. What is the distinguisher? What is the solubility thing? Turmeric is very poor water solubility, extremely poor water solubility. Curcumin also has poor water solubility, but when you make this into a nanoparticle, it becomes extremely water soluble. So that's the distinguishing factor. Bioavailability, curcumin has very low bioavailability in the body. The consumption is almost about 4 kgs per day to have therapeutic efficacy. Now to circumvent that, what we do is we make it into nanoparticles so that we have higher bioavailability. Nanocurcumin spans the whole spectrum of preventive to treatment therapies. Under the preventive strategy, it works like a very strong antioxidant which protects your body against a lot of disease and against a lot of damage. It has cardiovascular activity, it has neuroprotective activity. It's a very, very strong anti-inflammatory molecule which can bring down the inflammation levels within the human body within hours of ingesting. And obviously, because of its strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity, it is a very, very strong anti-cancer molecule as well. What is the problem with curcumin? The problem is the low bioavailability. If you look at natural curcumin, even at high doses in humans, that is almost 8 to 12 grams, the body is not able to absorb even 1 milligram of this, and the whole of it is eliminated through the body. The moment you turn it into a micellar form, into a different micellar formulation, the absorption becomes 185 times much better. The moment you turn it into a hydrophilic form, there is still better bioabsorption, which is almost close to 45.9 times more than standard curcumin. And then you have advanced formulations which have better bioabsorptions to almost 113 times. Now, even after having such a high bioabsorption and conducting almost 25 meta-analytical studies, more than 120 plus clinical trials, this molecule still has not been able to make it to the market as a therapeutic drug or as a therapeutic bioavailable drug. The biggest problem with this is the size, and obviously at Biotex we've tried to solve this problem by nanosizing the whole molecule. So what does this nanosizing do? This nanosizing basically makes the molecule so much bioavailable that its therapeutic efficiency or therapeutic activity almost increases by 40 to 50 times. It has enhanced bioabsorption. It gets absorbed within the body the moment you ingest it. It's a highly water-soluble molecule, so the moment you ingest it, it is immediately taken up in the bloodstream and gets circulated throughout the body to all the organs. It has rapid action because the nano size has the capacity to enter into the single cell of the human body. So it can immediately create the necessary therapeutic activity which is required. It is protected. The nanoparticle formulation is a very, very protected formulation. It does not get easily hampered by the body pH, by the body acids, and the change in the environment through the whole digestive tract. So this makes this molecule more bioavailable. This makes this molecule more actively available in the body for a longer time. The beauty of Biotex Nanocurcumin is we've made a delayed released formulation. When we say delayed release means the moment you take it, it does not create a burst of curcumin in your body, but it slowly gets released over time, making it more bioavailable and more bioactive. It reduces inflammation. Even at low doses, you will be able to see therapeutic efficacy. You don't need to overeat this molecule. It is very high antioxidant activity. When we say antioxidant activity, that basically has the capacity to target all kinds of diseases because all diseases start from inflammation and oxidative stress. So this molecule basically has the capacity to target or treat or prevent any kind of disease that can happen. It has superior clinical trial results. This molecule has finally been able to enter into human clinical trials because of its availability, because of its detection possibility, because of its presence to be detected in the human plasma. And it is safer even at 40 times the higher dose. So even if you overdose yourself, there is no toxicity that is seen in humans. What is the mechanism of action? So this is just the scientific part of it. I know it may not be very appealing to most of the crowd here, but just to show you that the small particle size basically has the capacity to enter within the cell and impact your DNA. When I say impact your DNA means it is the only therapeutic molecule which has the capacity to genetically upregulate your immune system. In this, the advantage is that you don't need to be dependent on external drugs to boost your immunity. You're boosting your own natural immunity with the help of natural products. If you look at the complete spectrum, it has the capacity to reduce all the inflammatory molecule. It has the capacity to reduce your cancer prolonging genes. It has the capacity to enhance your immunity genes, cancer defending genes, and in this way it does the overall therapeutic activity to the human body. What is our USP as Biotex Nanocurcumin? We hold the trademark for the word nanocurcumin because we were the first ones to basically make it into a nanoparticle size. We are the smallest particle size available in the whole world. There are many nanocurcumin products which are available in the world, but the particle size ranges from 100 nanometers to 300 nanometers. Ours is a 10 nanometer particle size, the particle size that has the capacity to enter in the cell and impact the DNA. We've done a lot of scientific validation of our products. We have confirmed the therapeutic efficacy of this product. We have confirmed the nanoparticle size and the nano formulations through many scientific tests. So our MS data very clearly shows that we have a nanoparticle of curcumin standing over there at 368 grams per mole. And we have also confirmed by the protonation and deprotonation data that it is the nanocurcumin and nothing else. We have an NMR data which shows the chemical structure of nanocurcumin. It clearly shows the presence of the methoxy groups which are present in the molecule. It shows the presence of the aromatic proton which confirms that this is a nanoparticle of curcumin itself. We have a thermogravimetric analysis done for this, which shows the stability of this molecule. It's an extremely heat stable molecule. Even at 100 degrees, what you see is only a 3% loss, and at around 200 degrees, you see the basic decomposition of the encapsulated material, and the actual curcumin degradation begins only after 300 degrees centigrade, which makes this one of the most thermostable molecule, most resistant molecules to any kind of damage. If you look at the DSC data, differential scanning spectroscopy data, you can see that there is a peak shift, which shows that this actually has changed from the crystalline curcumin form to an amorphous nanocurcumin form. Amorphous molecule makes this product more bioavailable. We have a lot of international publications to prove the validation of our data, where we have done studies on the human breast cancer cells, and we have shown the efficacy of this molecule against cancer. We have another publication which shows the extremely high solubility of this molecule in water. This solubility makes it easily bioavailable for any person to take this drug and have the therapeutic efficacy. We've done a lot of studies on breast cancer, where we've shown that there is almost 80% reduction in breast cancer within almost 48 hours of consuming nanocurcumin. The same studies were conducted even on liver cancer cell lines. We've seen that even at very low dosage of even 2 micrograms can create significant effect on liver cancer. We have test reports to show that our product is glyphosate free and our product is gluten free, which again makes it more tolerant and easily available for other diabetic patients as well. So what is the biggest part? So Biotex nanocurcumin is not just any turmeric capsule. It's a technology platform that unlocks the real, measurable, clinical effect from the traditional molecule. So at Biotex, we've been able to make this master formulation that can make the therapeutic efficacy of standalone turmeric almost up to 400 times higher than any normal molecule. What kind of a market we are looking at? So turmeric, curcumin, nanocurcumin is a huge market. You can see from the statistics, it's a $98 million market in terms of a herbal or a dietary supplement. And this market has been untapped, or this market has been unexplored, primarily because of the low bioavailability, the low therapeutic efficacy of curcumin, which we've been able to solve with our formulation. So we are not just selling turmeric, we are offering a clinically meaningful, technologically enhanced version that regular capsules cannot match in the market. So that brings me to the end of the Biotex nanocurcumin story and how we become the biggest differentiator in the market as compared to our competitors. These are our social media handles and our contact details. If any one of you who are interested to get in touch with us to know more about the details of this molecule, we'll be more than happy to help. I'm open to questions. If there is anybody who would like to ask me anything related to this, I'll be more than happy to answer. Sorry, sir?
Do you have a plan?
Oh, yes. So we basically, we do the end-to-end. So we have the farms where we grow our own turmeric under controlled environments, and it's completely organic. We have our own R&D center where we do the complete development of the formulation. We have our own GMP certified manufacturing unit and our own packaging unit. So the end-to-end development of this product is being done by the company itself. So
FDA certified?
FDA? No, we are ISO certified, we are halal certified, we are FDA certified, we are Ayush certified, we are FSSAI certified. Yes.
What are the results in liver cancer?
So in liver cancer, in vitro, we've seen that at small levels of even 2 microgram dosing, we are able to see 50% reduction in cancer within 24 hours. So the therapeutic efficacy in liver cancer is very strongly proven in vitro. That means in preclinical trials. We need to take this drug to the clinical trials to start using it on real-time patients. But on a preclinical, we have very strong evidence with respect to breast cancer and with respect to liver cancer, where we've seen therapeutic efficacy at microgram dosing also.
This is cleared by, you said, Ayush.
Yes,
So
it's
the
Ayush cleared. Government,
hospital
yes, Government of India
can use-
approved. Yes, absolutely, yes.
So where is it available now? Right now it's available for...
Right now we have an e-commerce website from where you can buy this product. We are already, we also have a stall here. You can visit us at the stall or you can give in us your queries. We can definitely get back to you. The marketing team will definitely assist you.